I think that people who work in our industry sit in a very special place because, for the most part, they are the ones who make the products, but they're also people who consume the products. And so when we get to times of year like Maycember, as my mom friends and I like to call it, where we have graduations and end of school parties and vacations and weddings and all of the things coming together, just like during the fourth quarter holidays, the industry is ramping up and creating all these products and getting these products out. But at the same time, we're going to these parties, we're planning these parties, we're buying cakes, we're buying sandwich platters, we are bringing extra snacks to school. So I just think that it's something that's really special in our industry, that we consume what we make, basically. We did something very special in this issue. We didn't just celebrate the finished products, we took a dive into what it takes to bring these products to fruition. We talked about the R&D process and the commercialization process and the collaboration that's required to get to these end products. And we also looked at brands that are serving food service and areas like cruise ships or in-store bakeries. We looked at iconic companies like Carolina Foods, 90 years old, moving into a huge facility to double its capacity and continue growing and innovating on all different kinds of products, just like their Duchess honey buns, but they're doing so much more, and they're co-manufacturing too. And so in this issue, it's not just about the new products, it's about what it takes to get there. I believe that innovation doesn't happen in a vacuum. You don't just come up with the next great idea and then it appears. All of these things that we showcase in this issue, they are the result of not only tapping into what these companies, customers, and consumers are demanding, but they're also the result of a lot of collaboration between R&D, commercialization, operations, marketing. There are so many points that have to be hit. A new product doesn't just appear and doesn't just suddenly become successful. Collaboration is where it's at.